we're still looking at differentiation of trigonometric functions. So let's say we're given a function y is equal to sine squared x, and we're asked to find the y dx. That means we're asked to differentiate this. How do we differentiate this? Now, you have to understand that sine square x can also be written as sine x all squared, because it takes you to multiply what? Sine x multiplied by another sine x for you to have what? Sine squared x. I know when you have two things, all right, you have the same thing in two places, it means what? All squared of it. That means it's the same thing as writing sine x all squared. All right, so note that you can also write this like this. So what do you say now? We say let u be equal to the function inside. Now there's a power, and the function inside that power is what? Sine x. So now we're going to differentiate u with respect to x. So it becomes du dx is equal to, now we're going to differentiate sine x. We're going to have what? Cos x. All right, we're going to have cos x. Now, another thing is that you've said this should be u. So it becomes that what? U is equal to what? U squared. Because you said let the whole of this be u. So now we're going to differentiate y with respect to u. So it becomes dy du is equal to, differentiate u squared, you're going to have what? 2u. All right? You're going to have what? 2u. So finally, what will be your dy dx? Your dy dx is simply going to be what? Your dy du times your du dx. That means what you differentiated here multiplied by what you differentiated here. So it becomes that your dy dx is going to be equal to what? Your dy du. What's your dy du? That is what? 2u multiplied by, what is your du dx? Cos x. All right? So this becomes that dy dx is going to be equal to what? This multiplied by this gives you what? 2u cos x. Now recall that u is equal to what? Sine x. All right? Recall that you said u should be equal to sine x from here. So it becomes that what? Dy dx finally is going to be equal to what? 2 sine x cos x. And that is going to be our answer. So if you differentiate sine square x, you're going to have 2 sine x cos x.